Hi everyone, this is Mr. Scott, and I'm here to help you out in the bibliography section of your project. So we've made it this far. We're on the fourth video. You probably already have your concept, and now you haven't written your essay yet, but we're going to try and make you do the research first, so that way you can sound more confident and more like a physics teacher would as they write their essay. So that way you can get a better grade when that physics teacher grades it. All right, so in order to start off, let's go to the evaluation tab over here on our photo project page. There it goes. All right, when we scroll down and look at the rubric, we see that we've got some early turn-ins, right? So the first one is going to be for physics ideas, just brainstorming, right? As you probably are trying to take photos along the way and see if you can find something cool in your life to represent this project. But then the second one is where we actually have a completed bibliography as part of your turn-in for 4 points. And that bibliography, if you look to the third row there, is got to have 3 or more APA sourced citations, right? So that is kind of a big deal. And we recommend that you go with as many citations as you need to be able to write this essay to the right length and the way you want it. Okay? Now, 250 words is a lot of words, but if you use a lot of sources, you could fill that up pretty easily. Now, which sources do we recommend? So for that, scroll on over to the process page and go down to number 4. Okay, so on process number 4, we've given you a bunch of websites that we think are going to help you write your essay. These are all reputable places that you can find good physics information, and we trust it. And you'll see on here that we've got Khan Academy, physicsclassroom.com, and a lot of other familiar places you may have already been. Now, if your concept is a little out there and it's not part of a regular standard physics curriculum and you can't really find anything on these websites, feel free to use an honors textbook, an AP textbook. Feel free to go find another website. I would recommend if you get to that point, you get it checked by your physics teacher just to make sure that it's a good source and not giving you bad information. All right, so we've got all the information we need to write our essay, and now it's just about putting it into APA format. So if you're not familiar with APA format, we have a couple websites that we recommend that you use to be able to get this into the right notation so you can get all your points. The first one is if you type in OWL Purdue into just a Google search box, you'll find it there, the Purdue Online Writing Lab. So this website legitimately got me through college. It was the best one I ever found for being able to put things into APA or MLA format and having it always be up to date. It's made by the librarians at Purdue, and it's amazing. So you'll see down here in the gold, you can hit APA guide, and then you kind of go through which type of source you have, and then it'll help you, like I said, put it into the format you need and do it correctly. Now, if you're not ready for something that's more college-based and you just want something easier to navigate, I could also recommend this Easybib, which some of you may know from other classes. But don't pay for the $10 version or the more expensive version. All you need is the basic one. You may have to create a sign-up account, and then you can easily make your citations in this website as well. All right, that's it from me. And then if you have any other questions, please ask your physics teacher. The one that's grading you. They typically will be able to help you out.